My name's Chris from Curry's PC World, and in this video we're going to look at how to clean your filters and your spray arms on your dishwasher to make sure it keeps working properly and get the best results from washing your dishes. Let's have a look. So we're going to look at removing the spray arms and filters from your machine to clean them, to keep them working as they should do and get the best wash results. So the first thing to remove is the spray arms. Most of the time it will have a locking nut, which twist anti-clockwise and it will drop down out of place. You can see the locking nut there spins. So spin that anti-clockwise and it will drop down out of place. You can see the spray arm has a range of different holes on it, on the top and on the bottom. You want to make sure these holes aren't blocked up. If they are, run them under the tap. You can get a pin or a cotton bud, poke them back through and try and wash any debris out of the big opening at the top. If these become blocked up, it'll stop it washing properly and may miss parts of your dishes. That's the top spray arm. To remove the bottom one, all you do is pull directly upwards and it'll come out of place. Held in with two clips there. To push it back in afterwards, push it down. Same again, this has got a range of holes on it. Make sure they're clear and then it'll be working properly. Once you check the spray arms, you can also check the filters. You normally get 3 filters in the bottom. The central one, if you twist it anti-clockwise, around about a quarter to a half turn, it will then pull up out of place. There will be some water in the bottom. This is completely normal. So looking at our filter, we've got a medium filter. In the centre part, press the 2 tabs and you'll get another filter out. You've got the chunky filter, medium filter, and then you've got the very fine mesh filter. These should be cleaned once a month, otherwise you'll be washing in dirty food, and also they can become blocked up quite easily and prevent water from flowing through them properly. Best way to clean it is in a sink full of warm water. Give them a quick scrub, but be delicate with these as they can break easily. Once you're happy it's cleaned, reassemble the filter outside of the machine. Most of them have an arrow indicating which way round it needs to go, and then you can slot it back into place. Push it down and twist it until it locks into place. That's now ready for use again. To reinstall the spray arms, push down, and with the upper one, offer it up into place and then twist the locking nut clockwise until it clicks into place or stops turning. Once both of these are done, give the spray arms a quick spin to make sure they're spinning freely and you're then ready to use the machine. We recommend doing these once a month from new to get the best wash results out of your dishwasher. To ensure you're also getting best wash results possible with your dishwasher, it's also advisable to do a maintenance wash. A maintenance wash is the hottest cycle with no pots in it. You can buy specific dishwasher cleaners. The brands may vary, they all do the same job of degreasing and cleaning the inside of the machine. On it you'll notice a small cap. Take that off and it's got a wax seal inside the top of it. Now do it, open the dishwasher and you will place it in the top basket with the seal facing downwards. As your dishwasher heats up, that wax seal will melt and dispense the cleaning solution inside the dishwasher. You'll notice it smelling nicer, you'll notice better wash performance, and you'll also notice the silver inside your dishwasher appears brighter and shinier and takes away the dullness. We recommend using these once a month from new for the best wash results.